Hey, welcome back to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Chevy 63 Impala Hardtop SS by AMT. It's a 4-in-1 kit, 125 scale, and let's see, this is a round 2 production model, so it's newer. Boy, I want to shout out to round 2. They've really done a nice job of bringing some of these kits back. Certainly want to give them all the love they deserve with. Alrighty. This here apparently can be built four different ways. It says stock, drag, custom, and personalize. Alrighty. I'll set the box up over there. I have taken the shrink wrap off a while back. Picked this kit up earlier this year. Well, first off, we got the clear parts. We like to keep those in the bag just to protect them. And look at there, the red parts are actually in the bag. I'll be darned. I made a comment about that a couple videos back. That's funny. Nice. That's a nice surprise there. Nice job there, round 2. You guys are awesome. And we have, what's this? We have one metal axle. Yeah, might as well leave that in the bag. And we have the body. Grab my scissors here. Knock the box over a little bit. See how many times I can do that during this video, right? That too much glare? There, how's that, guys? Alright. Hope everyone's having a great day. Weather's starting to change around here. It's warming up a bit. I'm liking that. Let's see. Alright, first off we got mildly slippery from mold releases. That's okay. That's to be expected. Gonna wash them up real good before we paint them anyway. But the actual plastic itself, the styrene, man, it's beautiful. Feels beautiful. Nice detail. Even, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it says Impala right there in fine little letters. That's really cool. Got the SS badging up here. Got this little piece here we'll have to cut out when the time comes. Let's see here. Wow, that's in there tight. Holy crap. Wow, that one's in there pretty tight. Okay. Got the old style peg and pockets there that they go together. There's the body again. We'll set that aside. I'll go ahead and bend down real quick and pick up the interior tub that fell down. Oh, well, that ground is a long way down, I'll tell you. Alright, here's the tub. Has the rear seats in it already. A little bit of dust. One of my favorite features of the Impalas was that little spot back there. I don't remember if that was ever a speaker or if it was just a decoration, but it sure was neat with the chrome set in between some nice black vinyl seats. Man, that was sharp looking. Let's see, not much detail on your side panels. You know, not very defined. It's there, but it's just, you know, it's there. A little muck in there or discoloration of the plastic, no big deal. Now for the bottom, the chassis, everything's kind of molded right into there. You got the X-frame, fuel tank, or no, that's the drop down for where the spare tire would normally go. I guess there's the fuel tank there, gas tank. Muffler's already built in. Whole rear axle's built in. Not a lot of separate detail, but actual detail is there. A little bit of flashing. Alright. And we got some tires. Go ahead and open these up. Got 4 white walls. White wall tires. They look like they say something, but that print is so small that I can't make it out. And the back side also has something written on it. Firestone. There's Firestone on the back side. I gotta assume it's Firestone on the front. Alrighty, 4 of those. They are pretty decent, you know, not real soft, not real hard. Nice. Here we have 2 chrome trees, it looks like. First up, we've got some custom grill work, bumpers. Oh yeah, that one there's got the little cutout recess. And this piece sticks out a bit. Oh, both sides do. Yep. So it must be front and back custom bumpers. Some dash panel stuff, lights. Little set of tools. That's really cool. Some open end wrenches, pliers, crescent wrench, and a screwdriver, a ball peen hammer. Wow. And some spoons, it looks like. I don't know what those are for. Unless they're chisels, but boy, I doubt that for body work. Alright. That's pretty cool. Haven't seen tools in a while in model kits. Ah, nice. Got 2 different options for wheels. Got some chrome, almost like keystone wheels. And then the standard SS hubcaps. Those are nice. What do we got here? These are just the wheel backs. Standard grill. Standard rear bumper. Custom grills. Some pipes, side pipes it looks like. Some spinner caps. Maybe. That's what they look like to me. What do you call that thing in the front of the car where the hood goes? The hood chrome. Kind of messed up there. I don't know what that is on the top. Maybe just some schmutz. Yeah, that'll come off. Alright. Some fancy light things. This here, if you mounted it in the back, I don't know if it goes in the front or the back, but probably the front, but it looks like an old 63 Ford Galaxy rear end there. Alright. Next up we have 2 bags of plastic parts. In the first bag, okay, I got the drop seats today. Let's see, first one we got, separate seats. Excuse me a second. Again, that floor is getting farther and farther down as the older I get. Alright, here we go. We got seats. Some huge bucket seats. Yeah, the coloring is off a lot on this particular kit, but we're going to paint them, so no big deal. This is the seat backs. Folding seats. That's nice. This piece will attach to that and they'll look like they'll fold down. Got the engine part there that fits in to here from underneath, obviously. I wonder if the actual engine's in here somewhere. That's almost like a promo kit there, that piece. And we've got, this is interesting, this looks like a convertible top, what do they call those? The cover that goes over your convertible top when it's open. So they assume that you're going to hack the roof off of this one? I don't know. There's a steering wheel. Standard dash. Crazy hood. Custom hood. Firewall. Radiator. Battery. Car horn. And what I think is maybe the single bowl master cylinder. All right. Alrighty. Here we have the custom front end. One of the custom front ends. Some poles of some kind. Not really sure what they are. Some fender skirts. Another front end, lower valance. Standard hood. That's nice. Some detail on the back there. Those are nice. More custom parts. Oh, here's a full engine. That's good. With the SS, I'm not sure if it's, yeah, it's either the 409 or the 348. Yeah, most likely 409 because that was the most popular one. It's another custom parts. Big ol' intake. Wow. With the heads. That's why. There we go. Fan blade. Carburetor. Fan and pulley system. Air cleaner. Stock exhaust manifolds. Pretty nice. Here we've got different choices for what I believe are hood scoops or seat backs. I'm not sure on that. Look pretty neat as hood scoops though, wouldn't they? And we have, is that, oh my gosh, that's the record player. Depending on how old you are, you may not know, but you could actually get a little record player that would work inside your car. Yep, so they include that. This must be the back of it or the bottom. Sorry about that. Like I was saying, there's the record player. Seat belts. This looks like a, yep, it is. It's a like a drive-in movie service tray. They'd hook these little pieces on the side of the window. Look at here, we got a television. Wow, there's some pretty neat little extras in this one, guys. Looks like a racing harness for your seatbelt, bumper, back of the television. I think that's the SS steering wheel. There's a rabbit, because that's what every model kit needs, is a 125 scale plastic rabbit. Yeah, I don't know. I think these are headrests. That's pretty neat. I haven't seen that in a while. And the old trophy. That's pretty cool. I just looking through my parts bin the other day and ran across a couple of the trophies and thought, well, it'd be neat to see those again, and here they are. Very cool. Well, that's it for parts. Let's see, we got instructions. Before you begin, the basic stuff. Symbols, paint recommendations, suggestions. Let's see. Yep, pretty much basic stuff here, guys. Slap your engine together, throw some wheels on it. Decide what you want to make it, your stock, your custom, or drag. Those other parts, they were roll bar parts. I forgot about the roll bar being included. Roll cage. Here you go. Oh my gosh, I think those are, well, I'm not sure if that's a pair of fuzzy dice. They're not really square, and they're not fuzzy. There's your food tray, your record player, your rabbit, your tools, your television. You'd think they'd include a toolbox, but they give you a television instead. That's okay. We all need a 125 scale TV box, TV set. Something. There. Final assembly. Pretty simple. Custom job. Oh, look at there. They are scoops of some sort. One for the rear, one for the front. Very neat. Side pipes. Some different types of collectors. Yep. Sky's the limit on your imagination on this one, guys. Look at there, you could even put some, that's just shadowing, but it looks like there's numbers there. Number 45, don't know who that was. Richard Petty was 43, Kyle was 44, I don't know, was Adam Petty 45? But this obviously kit predates that originally. Let's see. Custom bumper stuff. And that's it. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we have here. Wow, we've even got decals inside of a plastic wrap here. Let me go ahead and cut that open real quick. Alrighty. There it is. Oh yeah, number 45. There you go. Some lowrider type striping decals. Look at that. That's really neat. There's the old hot AMT hot rod cat there. That's nice. Their symbol was a cat, but they give you a rabbit. I don't know. There's some Michigan plates. Pennsylvania. Very cool. The big imp. Yep, big Impala. Some nice decals for your badging. Some little tiny ones. Very cool. Alrighty. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Please come on back. We're having a blast here. I want to thank you all to my subscribers. I certainly appreciate you. If you would, please give a shout out to your buddies and that, and let them know about our channel, and we'll keep moving right along here. Alright guys, have yourselves a great day. Thanks for your time. We'll talk to you on the next one.